Hi babes, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to finally be making the Moringa hair mask that I was telling you all about. So what you need for this hair mask is some coconut milk, the remainder of the moringa from the oil that we made recently, and of course the moringa infused oil, along with a plastic bowl and plastic mixing spoon. So the video is self-explanatory on how to make the mixture for the hair mask. So what I'm gonna do is just give you all some info on the benefits of coconut milk to your hair. We already know moringa is on and popping, so time for you to learn about coconut milk. So coconut milk helps restore luster to dull and damaged hair. It helps promote hair growth. It is a natural detangler and helps condition and moisturize your hair. You all know our hair goal is to have long, beautiful, healthy, natural hair. So coconut milk is a great addition to any mask that you decide to use. You'll thank me later, okay? So we are in my bathroom because this can get a bit messy, and I'm not in the mood to clean up my living room just for YouTube. Barrel, sorry, but we chilling in the bathroom. So I placed it into a spray bottle just to make it for easier application. Now usually when I make this treatment, I would do it as a creamy consistency, so it would go on as like a paste. But today I just not in the mood to spray water then, but so I made it a bit looser in texture, so I added some water to it just for convenience. It would have the same effect, it would do the same thing as it always does. So onto this, so you take it, you spray in your roots and then down to the ends, and you're passing it through. Yeah. That is that. Come by the ends. Now this will get messy, so have a towel close by and do it like in your bathroom area. So
settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown, a crown, a crown, a king and a queen royally bound.
okay, so this is my hair with everything already finished and it's soaked up all nice and beautifully. So here I'll do. Clicks and I know hotness. So sis put it in the spray bottle, right? Sis did not calculate that the moringa, even though it is small, it could still clog up the spray bottle. And guess what went on with sis? Sis spray bottle nozzle clogged. So you know how we do it? The usual, just put it out in your hand, put it out in your head and call a judge. So I'm just finish the rest of it in my hair. It was enough to do my entire head, so that's like awesome, and it absorbed so well. So what I'm going to do now is put a plastic cap over my head for like literally 15 minutes, and then rinse it out with some warm water and come back to show you all how my hair is looking. And sis is back. So I kept it in my hair for 15 to 20 minutes, more on the 20-minute side because sis just went and lie down and forget. So I just rinsed it out, and this is how my hair is looking. My hair is so nice and moisturized and super soft, y'all. My hair when I this, like it is shrunk on to its best state ever, so which means it loved all the goodness from that little treatment. So after you use this treatment, I would recommend that you go in with a moisturizing shampoo to shampoo your hair, do your normal deep conditioner, and you know, moisturize and seal, or go in your bed, or go your way, whichever one you do. You know, I know that not all naturals have like this extensively long wash day and like moisturizing routine. Some people can just throw some water and some shea butter and go. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you've ever tried this recipe before, and if you do try my recipe, please message me or DM me on Instagram, my name right here, and let me know how it worked for you all. I will give you guys a 1 month update on the oil as well as this treatment. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.